Hi, my dear friends, let's go shopping. Today I have prepared some sentences that are very helpful when you go shopping. So let's learn them one by one. The first one, you are going to buy a pair of shoes. You try them on, you love them so much, and you are going to buy them, but they are a bit tight. They are small for you. But you think that in the future they might get a little bigger. So in this case, we can ask the cashier or we can ask the salesperson, excuse me, these shoes are tight. Will they break in? Break in for shoes means when you buy a new pair of shoes and when you wear them after a while, you feel that there is more space. They are larger or bigger. So this is break in. It happens when you wear your shoes after a couple of weeks. So you can ask, will they break in? Will they be my size if I keep wearing them after a couple of weeks? The second sentence is about the color or size of something. Again, you find a t-shirt, you love it so much, but you don't like the color. You're looking for a dark color. So you can ask, excuse me, does it come in a dark color or do you have it in a dark color? So we use in for color and for size we use in. So does it come or do you have it in black, in pink, or your size is X large? This t-shirt is large, so you can ask this question again. Do you have it or does it come in X large? So for color and size, you can use in. Number three, again, you are going to buy a t-shirt, but you are into fashion. I mean, you like fashion. You are not sure if this t-shirt is new, is fashionable, or if it's old-fashioned. So you can ask the person, excuse me, is it the latest version, the latest model, or last season's model? The latest means the newest. It means I'm looking for the most recent, newest. So is it the latest version or last season's version? Sometimes you don't repeat the version after last season. So is it the latest model or last season's? Number four, you're talking about a pair of jeans and you are worried that if you wash them after a while, they may lose their color or they may shrink, become smaller. So you can ask the question like this, excuse me, how do these jeans hold up after several washes? It means if I wash them after a couple of times, how do they hold up? It means does the color change? Does the size change? So how does it or how do they hold up? Number five, again, when we wash something, for example, a pair of jeans, after a couple of washes actually, sometimes the size changes. You think that it's smaller for you, it's tight, or sometimes the opposite, it's loose, it stretches. So you can ask this question, does it or do they? Does it shrink or stretch after wash? So shrink means become smaller. Stretch means become loose, become bigger. So if you're worried about that, you can ask the question like this. Do they or does it shrink or stretch after wash? Or you can ask, does it shrink or stretch over time? Over time means after a long time when I wear it. Does it shrink or stretch over time? Number six, you are stuck between two different models. You like both of them. You don't know which one to buy, this one or that one. Excuse me, what is the difference? Difference. What's the difference between these two? And the sales assistant will explain the difference. So what's the difference between A and B? Before you buy something, you need to check the size. Okay, so you need to try it on. Try on means check the size. So, excuse me, you can't find the fitting room or dressing room. Dressing room or changing room or fitting room is a small room, small cabin where you can go and try your clothes on before you buy them. So you can't find the changing rooms. You can ask the sales assistant, excuse me, where can I try it on? Where can I try it on? Number 9, you find your favorite t-shirt, but you are not going to buy it now. For example, you don't have enough money. You're going to buy it next month. But you are worried next month they don't have this model again. So you can ask, excuse me, do you restock this model? Do you restock this model again, for example? It means, is it available next month or next week or next season? Or do you sell it one time only now? So restock. Again, the next question is about the price. You want this t-shirt, but you don't have enough money. You're looking for a better price, and you feel that if you wait for 2 weeks or a month, the price will be lower. So we can ask, are you going to have an offer? Are you going to have a promotion on this? These are simpler questions. So, is this price likely to drop soon, or do you have a promotion? Number 11, you are going to buy a car and you are thinking and checking the price, but you feel that you are worried that there might be some extra costs, some hidden costs that you don't know now, but after you buy that car, you have to pay some extra money and extra costs. So you can ask this question. Excuse me, are there any hidden costs or extra charges? Hidden costs means costs that you don't know now, but you may face them in the future. So are there any hidden costs or extra charges? It's a very important question, and always try to ask it before big purchases. Next one is you are going to buy a bed, for example, and most of the time you have to buy the bed. It comes in different pieces. You take them inside and you assemble them. It means you connect different parts to each other and make the bed. So it's important for you to know if it's hard or easy to assemble. So you can ask the question, is this bed easy to assemble? It means, can I do it by myself at home, or do I need a technician? So is it easy to assemble? Again, you are going to buy a set of furniture, and you know that when you take them home, you have to connect them to each other. You have to assemble different pieces. So you're gonna need a lot of other stuff to assemble, like screwdrivers and stuff like that. So this is the question that you can ask. Does it come with everything I need? Does it come with all other stuff I need? Or do I have to pay for them or buy them separately? So does it come with everything I need? Is there a better option for the same price? You can ask this question. You choose something, anything, a pair of jeans, t-shirt, a bed, but you are worried that there might be better options, better quality, better brands with the same price, with the money that you are paying. So are there any better options? but with the same price, you can ask this question. Or sometimes for the same price, with the same, you can actually say with the same price, at the same price, for the same price. They're all correct. There's something called price adjustment or price match. Some stores in some countries have this option. It means you buy something, a t-shirt for example, in store A and store B. We are talking about two stores. In store A, you buy a t-shirt for $40. After 1 week, you find the same t-shirt in store B for $30. So it's cheaper. You paid $40 in store A, but it's $30 in store B. So you can go to store A and ask for a price match. It means if they have that policy, if they have price match, they pay you back the extra money. They pay you back $10 because the store B sells that item at a lower price. So this is called price match in some stores, not everywhere. Some stores have this policy. So before buying that item, you can ask, do you accept price match? Okay. Do you accept price adjustment? Or how long after my purchase can I do price match? These are the questions you can ask. And before buying something expensive, before big purchases, you need to know about the rules they have for returning or exchanging that item. Because different stores have different rules. Some stores don't have any return or exchange at all. Some of them have it for 1 month, some of them for 3 months. So you'd better ask this question before you buy that item. So the question is very simple. What's your return policy? Excuse me, what's your return policy? And when you ask this question, they explain. For example, you can return it within 1 month and exchange it within 2 months, for example. So what is your return policy? These are some questions you can use when you go shopping to have a better purchase. I hope you can use them in your purchases. Take care. See you soon.